We just heard back from one of our happy customers who gave us a glowing 5-star review, so we thought we'd share it with the world. We're happy to say this is just one of the many reviews we get from our customers all the time. And this review is one of our favorites because we go to great lengths to constantly work on improving our processes and make sure our customers get the best service possible. So online feedback like this is always appreciated, and we love sharing it with others. But don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. Feel free to call us at the number on your screen. We're glad you had a chance to check us out today, and we're looking forward to chatting with you soon.